So if I look in here, the only choices I have is I can do a DWG convert. So if I wanted to use this tool, and your clients, you know, like if your clients are saying, hey, you know, I've just got like AutoCAD 2004, but you're sending me a 2017 drawing, you can say, well, just download this free program and you can do a convert, and you can convert your Civil 3D. Now, of course, they need to have the object enabler for Civil 3D. They have to have the latest version of DWG TrueView, because DWG TrueView has to be compatible with whatever version of AutoCAD that you're publishing from, right? So even though they might have just AutoCAD 2004 on their workstation, this DWG TrueView might be all the way up to 2018 as far as the version goes. And then they'd be able to use this convert, save it back down to a 2004 format, and of course it strips out all of the smarts from Civil 3D, turns it into dumb AutoCAD objects, but at least they've got the graphics to work with in their environment. So